What's up guys, I'm super excited because today I'm going to be opening up what might be the coolest thing that I have ever bought. So a lot of you guys will already know that I've started doing up my garage. I've started converting my garage. It's going to be a massive project. The first step was the floor, which we've done. You can see that we've got the logos in front of the vehicles. The floor was just painted before and we've got these panels. In fact, I can show you here. These are the panels which we've just put in the floor. And yeah, it's made a massive difference. But it's only step number one. The plans that I've got for this garage are insane. Today we're going to be moving on to phase 2, which is unboxing a full-size, fully wearable, fully customized, fully bespoke, real-life IRONMAN suit. I'm so excited for this. The suit is in this box here, and this box came with it as well, which is a stand, so that the suit can stand up without me having to wear it. It's insane. It's got the lights, it's got the zzz. Let's do an unboxing of what is probably the coolest thing that I've ever bought. Let's go. Okay, so this is the industrial looking box that it comes in. It's a wooden box. Let me just move this out of the way. Definitely don't want to drop this onto the car. Imagine that, scraping up the car. Put it here. Lean it. Proper tilt there. Worst case, it slides down and hits the tyre. Cool, all right. So, this is the box. This is how it's come. In here we go. The first thing is the helmet. Raw. Jeez! And you can see inside there's all sorts of electronics because this thing lights up like a Christmas tree, baby. Right, so I'm going to be very careful with this. I don't know what I'm doing or how to put it together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each part and I'm going to just lay it down. And then we'll take it from there. Let's see what we pull out next. Oh my gosh. And look at that. I've got to put that on. Give me 2 seconds. Wow, look at that. The way it just molds around my fingers. That is incredible. And I've not even zipped it up. The level of detail you can see is insane. It is insane. This will all glow up as well. We'll get to that. These are the levels. I think I know what's coming next. This is a big one. Way! Jeez! This is the torso. Look at that! Wow! It's so flexible as well. Like, you can tell it's going to mold around the body really well when it's worn. So we've unpacked everything out of the box, and these are the components. You can see we've got the torso here. We've got 2 arms, 2 legs, got the feet here. This looks like a neck piece. We've got the head piece, and of course the hands. And then over here we've got all these electrical components. Okay, so while I work it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the stand. Now the stand is in here. This is how it comes. And then I should be able to put the suit on the stand, connect it all up, and then plug it in, power it up, and then take it from there. So yeah, let's do that now. So the stand is assembled and it looks a little bit monumental. What we're going to do now is we're going to move the stand into the corner and then we're going to put the suit on the stand. It's shaped perfectly for the suit to just stand on it looking powerful. So that's our next move. I can't wait to see it all start to come together. Let's go. So this is where we're up to. The suit is up on the stand and it looks insane, man. Look at that. It's just got so much wow factor and it's not even finished yet. If you've noticed, none of the lights are on. The eye, once it's fully activated, the eyes will light up, the chest will light up, the hands will light up. There'll be all sorts of mad lights just coming from the suit. But to do that, we need to use the remote, and the remote hasn't got a battery in it. So I need to fly to the shop and get a battery so we can activate the lights and see this bad boy in its full glory. It's gonna look mad.
20 minutes later.
So we're back from the shop. I've got the battery. I've just put it in the remote. All I need to do now is connect up the cables in the suit. So if I come behind here, you can see that there are lots of these cables that need to be connected to each other so that the whole suit is connected. It is gonna blow your mind what this suit is capable of, trust me. Let me just wire it up and then I'll show you.
A few minutes later.
So there it is, that is the suit in its full glory. It looks incredible, honestly. I cannot stop looking at it. It is just amazing. And there's more. It's got this remote, which has got 6 buttons on, which I'm gonna show you exactly what they do. So if we press number 1, it opens up the helmet, watch this. Mad. And then inside you've got these blue neon lights which look super cool, and when you're wearing it, it basically makes you feel like you're Iron Man. And then you press it again to close it. But watch this. Look at the eyes flicker, the way it's, oh mate, the details they're put into this is incredible. Next up, number 2. Now this is for the wing flaps on the back. Watch this, if I press number 2. Look at that, it is insane. And then the lights change color as well. It is mad. I hope I'm showing you, I hope I'm filming that all right. Let me press it again, watch this. Closes them. Mad. It is incredible. Then number 3 opens up the shoulders, watch this. Mad. It is insane. Then you got number 4 and 5 which control the missiles on the arms. So watch this, number 4 should do the right arm. Look at that, the way they open up, and then you've got the missile in there as well. It is just, it is incredible how they've put this together. And check this out as well, there's little mini speakers they've put in there, so it actually sounds like a real Iron Man suit. Listen to this. Oh my gosh! And then number 5 will do the left arm. Same thing. Madness! And watch this as well, when you do it, you get this laser. This laser is coming out from the arm. Can you see that? Incredible. So look, if I close it up and then I open up the arm missile, it's so cool. I can't get over it. And then number 6 is just for all the lights. So you can see all the lights on the suit. If I press number 6, they'll all come on. All of these lights, details. So that is it. That is the Iron Man suit, fully customized, fully wearable. It is incredible. Oh yeah, I've got to show you with the lights off. It looks unreal with the lights off. If we flick off the lights, look at that. Whoa. I forgot to mention, you've got lights underneath the feet. If I come under here, can you see those? So, it creates this really cool underlight effect when you turn all the lights on. Incredible. Definitely the coolest thing I've ever bought. I can't stop looking at it. Best purchase ever, man. I've got to put it on. I have to. It's not just for display. You guys know this is fully wearable. It looks sick on display. I'll be happy if it was just for display, but it's not. It's fully wearable. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to put the whole suit on and see how it feels on and show you guys how it looks as well. Let's go. So the suit is on and this is how it looks. I didn't even know this. It's got this inbuilt clanking sound for when you step. Listen. Range of motion, pretty good to be honest. Like, I can move. I can even run.
Could you?
I've had to use the power supply from the mains because it didn't come with a battery, so I've ordered one. It's got a battery pack inside, so you can basically use the mains where it's connected by the wire, or you can be wireless with a battery, but the battery hasn't arrived yet, so I thought I'd just show you using the power cable for you to get an idea of what it looks like. I'm going to stop it here just for a second. So where this was my first ever time wearing the suit, I've only gone and made a schoolboy error, haven't I? Can you see these little flaps hanging out? They're not meant to be. I was supposed to tuck them in, but I forgot. So yeah, I thought I'd mention that. Next time I wear the suit, I'm definitely tucking them in. But it doesn't really matter because this was just a test run, just to kind of get an idea of what it feels like on, what the mobility's like, and let you guys get an idea of how the suit fits when it's on. It keeps clanking every time I step. All the features work, let's run through them. So I've got my beautiful fiance behind the camera. She's got the remote. So baby, if you press 1, it should shut the helmet. Woo! Woo! Let's do the wings. I think that's number 2. So cool, man. So cool. And then the shoulders, that's number 3, I think it's though. Woo! Alright, so guys, I mean, that is the IRONMAN suit. It is definitely the coolest thing I've ever bought. I'm so happy with it. I literally I don't think I want to take it off, to be honest. I feel like a man. I feel powerful in this baby. See that? How cool is that? Mad piece of gear.
And the thing that I like best about it is when I've had enough of you.
You had to do it, didn't you? You had to do it. Alright, okay.
I've got control of the remote.
Well, when I've had enough of you, babe, I'll just do one of them. Bang! If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I've got some banging videos coming up. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. I have to say it. I am IRONMAN. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. I'm available for birthday parties if anyone's looking for any bookings. The rates will be high, but I will guarantee you to deliver because I am IRONMAN.